Welcome back to our channel. Now we learn Minion team drawing. This one circle after some size like oval shape. Okay. Then like this. After that like this. Then hand. This is the rough drawing. After that you have to detail the drawing. Then like another hand like this. No. Okay. Then go to hand. Then leg. And here another one leg here. Okay. Now this one like this. Now this and mouth like this and teeth also here like this. Okay. Then body. Okay. Then like this. This one. Okay. Now erase the pencil lines. Okay, let's go to the drawing. Nice body here. Okay. Like this. Like this, eyes and mouth. Okay, like this, teeth, it's the tongue, then hand. Okay. Lying hand. Another hand like this, like this. Like this. Some other hands. Okay, then leg. This is so Okay, then another leg. Okay, now go to coloring. First of all, hand colors black, like this. Another hand also black. And leg. Another leg also black color. Okay, and then its body. Then dress also blue color. Then full body color yellow. And also yellow. Then eye color is brown. And sunglasses. It's very easy, you have to practice. Let's do the drawing step by step. Very easy to draw. I think video is very useful. Just a minute. This another one, the tongue is pink color. Okay, mouth inside is the black color. Okay, how is the drawing? I think you have to enjoy the drawing. Thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe me and like this video, like it. Thank you very much. We will see you next video.